Man shot dead at gutters, one of three gun attacks in St. Elizabeth on Saturday evening. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot dead near a gas station at Gutters close to the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth on Saturday. His identity has not yet been ascertained. Preliminary reports are that at around 4:45 p.m., the man was seated in a white Toyota Axio motor car parked near the gas station when a vehicle pulled up alongside it with gunmen alighted and opening fire on the man in the driver's side. Eyewitnesses said that the gunman's firearm fell during the attack before he retrieved it and continued the rampage. It was the third reported shooting in St. Elizabeth on Saturday. Earlier in the day, a man was shot dead at Pepper District, while another was shot and injured in the district of Taunton. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.